In the last video, we took a look at how to find the limit of a function by using a table of values, or numerically. In this video, we're going to take a little more visual approach by graphing the function and then seeing what value does the function seem to approach from both sides. So, we're given a function f of x is equal to x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x minus 4 all over x minus 2. So from the last video, we know that we won't be able to use direct substitution in this case because if we're trying to find the limit, oh by the way, the problem is the limit of f of x as x approaches 2. So when we're trying to find the limit at 2 for this particular function, we know we can't use direct substitution because when we plug in 2 for x, we're going to get 0 on the denominator, which means it's going to be undefined at that value. So what we're going to do is we're just going to graph this function and go from there. So first let's factor the numerator and see if we can cancel anything out. So when we factor this cubic function up here, we have x minus 2 times x squared plus 2 all over x minus 2. So we can cancel both of this out, and a function that is similar to the function we have up here is f of x equals x squared plus 2. We have to note though that there is a hole in the graph at x equals 2 because in this function up here at 2 the value is going to be undefined. So if we graph this, we have the y-intercept at y equals 2. It's just x squared, so we're going to go up 1. 1 squared is 1. 2 squared is 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's going to be undefined there, so I'm going to have an open circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it's symmetric because it is similar to a quadratic equation. I'll just draw the graph right here. So this is our function right here. We just graphed our function x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x minus 4 over x minus 2. We have the graph of f of x over here. So now to find the limit at x equals 2, we're going to take a look at what happens to the graph as we approach 2 from both the right and also from the left. So as we approach this value 2 from both sides, what is going to happen? Well, we can clearly see that we're approaching this value right here as we get closer and closer from both sides, and that value is going to be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're approaching the value 6 from both sides, so that's going to be our limit. So the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 is going to be equal to 6.